Haga kharkandai tarik mentau banai kiseng bhalang bapher bat hadu ki school ru kilawan shakmat ban yarab ek sarkar jalla ban ai ki jaka jongki na ka benta ban perlong kum ki corona care center uba el hek habai krem kilar pathai khubor ulapan pau ke jingkmen ba ke jingsongo ya barok kini ki kinhun ki braterwa lem ka khti ka mon khti ka diang ban yarab ek sarkar na ka benta ke jingmen toy jongki paj ba.
But I'm very thankful to so many NGOs like the Marwari Yuba Manch. They have come forward to setting up the entire Corona Center, all sponsored by them, including the food supply of food. They are also giving by them. Not only them, there are so many organizations. We have seen in St. George School, the principal of the school, Mr. Simon, he himself came forward. He told me 3 times, why not set the school as a Corona Care Center? Himself, he came voluntarily to help the government, to help the people. All material, can you believe, all material, water, electricity, beds, bedsheet, you talk about the mattresses, everything, it is provided by the school authority. So this kind of people are there to help the government and particularly to help the people.